Told you. 275 is where we want to be. Get back down. Go back. Take it back down soon. Put that meat on. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be running this pit at about 275 today. I just opened it up and put this brisket on, so coming back up to temp. But while I'm out here, check on it. A real good looking fire. What I'm gonna do is we're gonna reload this thing. Put you on there. Starting to catch. It's already starting to catch, so good to go. Just that quick. Close up. Close it up. Already caught. Let it do what it do. See that thing it right there where it's at. So we're looking at about 280. Just put that brisket on. We're ready to cook. Start the countdown. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Start the countdown. Alright, y'all. Switch it up. Say I'm gonna switch it up this time. That brisket looking good. I said I'm a looking good color. I'm gonna try something a little different here today. I'm gonna try this 4-boat method. So what I'm gonna do here. So what I'm gonna do is let y'all see some more of that. Get this close a bit. What I'm gonna do is got some butter packs down there. Alright. And some spritz. Just water and apple cider vinegar in the spritz. And what we're gonna do here today is we're gonna try out this 4-boat method. So what I did was got me some aluminum foil, heavy duty aluminum foil. Got some butter in the bottom, some of my spritz. Place the brisket in this 4-boat, fat side up, and we're gonna put it back on the pit. But instead of having to watch it so much the fire on Big Blakk, and so I can make some room because I got ribs on here too. I'm gonna take this brisket and put it on the pellet grill. Let it finish it out there. It got plenty of smoke on it. Now I just need the temperature. So finish letting it cook. So we're gonna try this 4-boat method today. I'm gonna stick a probe in it, ThermoPro temp spike probe in it, and monitor my point, monitor my meat. When it get to that temperature, at 200, I probably start checking it at 195, 200 degrees, and go from there. All right. About to put it on the pellet grill and let it finish out. All right, y'all. Check on this brisket. See how the 4-boat method is doing. 271. Rocking. I got the temp spike in and I'm monitoring the temperature. I think I'm sitting at about 175. Keep rolling until they hit about 200. And I'm going to check for pro tenderness. Alright. Alright, y'all, we're reading about 195. So take a look at this brisket. Like I said, so still wait a little bit longer. Alright. Yeah. Y'all. Let it go maybe about another 45 minutes to an hour. About an hour. That was another about, say, 8-9 degrees. 10 degrees. We'll check the tenderness now. Going to rest the brisket in this cooler overnight. All right, it's the following morning, and I'm very pleased with the 4-boat method. Keeps my brisket juicy while preserving the bark. All right, we got the flat side here, and this is the point. I'm satisfied with the bend test, and it pulls apart with one hand. That's a win in my book. I appreciate y'all watching. See y'all on the next go round.